Good day, sir. My name is Helen Pamugas. Today, I am going to share with you the parts and function of Lafayette machine. First parts of the Lafayette machine is pneumograph. Pneumograph measures and records the subject's breathing pattern during the examination. It uses rubber tubes placed around the chest and abdomen. As the subject inhales and exhales, the tubes expand and contract, converting these movements into signals that are recorded as wave-like tracings on the chart paper. Irregular breathing patterns may indicate emotional stress. Number 2 is cardiosphygmograph. Measures cardiovascular activity, specifically blood pressure and pulse rate. It consists of an inflatable cuff placed around the upper arm. When inflated, it detects arterial pulse waves and blood pressure exchanges, which are then transmitted to the recording system. Number 3 is the galvanograph. It measures the galvanic skin response or in electrodermal activity. Small electrodes are attached to the fingers or palm to detect changes in skin conductivity caused by increased sweat gland activity. Emotional tension or stress can cause sudden changes in the tracings. Next is chemograph. Chemograph is the mechanical recording system that moves the chart paper at the constant speed. It ensures that physiological responses are recorded in relation to time because polygraph interpretations depends on timing between questions and reactions. The chemograph plays a crucial role in producing accurate and continuous recordings. Next is Pneumo 1 or Pneumo 2. Pneumo 1 records chest respiration, while Pneumo 2 records abdominal respiration. Having two respiration channels allows the examiner to compare upper and lower breathing patterns and detect any unusual or controlled breathing attempts. Next is galvopen. The galvopen is the pen assigned to record the galvanic skin response. It converts electrical signals from the galvanograph into visible ink tracings on the chart paper. Next is cardiomodule. The cardiomodule processes and amplifies cardiovascular signals before they are recorded. It ensures that the signals are clear and properly adjusted for accurate interpretation. Next is cardiopen. The cardiopen records cardiovascular signals such as pulse and blood pressure fluctuations onto the chart paper, showing rhythmic pulse wave patterns. Another one is paper tear bar. The paper tear bar is used to neatly tear off the chart paper after the examination so that the recorded data can be preserved. The other one is pen and inking system. The pen and inking system contain multiple ink pens that draws the physiological responses on the moving chart paper. Each pen corresponds to a specific channel, respiration, cardiovascular activity, and GSR. The other one is paper flattening roller. The paper flattening roller keeps the chart paper smooth and stable while it passes through the machine, preventing the distortions in the tracings. Other one is chart drive switch. The chart drive switch controls the movement of the chart paper It allows the examiner to start, stop, or adjust the speed of recording. Thank you, sir, and God bless.